I first heard the word AI agent from Jensen Huang when he said someday you will have an AI agent. I didn't really understand what he was talking about, but I've come to realize that what it was is bring his compute together with Sam Altman and these other people's large language platforms. I could gain access to all the knowledge in the world about any stock that I wanted to pursue. And I could literally build stock analysts, the same thing that Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan and Fidelity and all of the hedge funds have done. They built stock analysts. Well, my stock analyst is an AI agent. I call her Samantha. And what I do is I realize that the stocks that grow to be the behemoths all followed a certain pattern. And that is that during their infancy, they found the need to grow their business. They recognized a growth opportunity. They went out and they borrowed money and hired people. And then we saw their revenues start to grow. And as their revenues grew, their margins grew. And then their stock earnings grew, which then stimulated a growth in their stock price. And so I built a template around that premise and the following of Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, and NVIDIA, and said, okay, how did they grow and what were the numbers that they achieved in the growth of revenues, in the growth of earnings, and in the growth of margins, and how did they spell out? And that created my template. My template then became my prompt. And with that, I built a platform that we use at Best of Us Investors. Basically initiated it in a year ago in May of 2025, and it served me quite well. What it did was it said, these are the parameters under which I will buy a stock, and then that I will sell the stock, and I need to follow them religiously to keep me focused and not take into consideration all the noise that's going on, whether it be tariffs or interest rates or wars, because growing companies will survive all those things. Maybe it take a little while, but eventually they will survive and they will grow and create profits for me. So that's what I've built with Best of Us Investors, and it's served me quite well. And it keeps me focused so that when I look at a stock, like just today, one of my best stocks is down 10%, and I ask myself why. And I look at the financials that my stock analyst, Samantha, my AI agent, and I said, I understand. This is not an attack on the quality of the company. It is a movement of the market. It ran up substantially, and now people are taking profits. And then when they're done taking profits, because the financials are still strong, the company will go back and reach new highs. And so that's what I've done. In essence, I've taken and duplicated what Wall Street has been doing for years, what hedge funds have been doing for years, and built a system that supports the growth of growth companies. Now, as right now, a lot of the growth is coming in through AI and the built out of the structure needed to deliver AI. That will change once the system is built, and it will go towards those people who are going to deliver AI. And we're already starting to see that. And Samantha, my AI agent, is bringing those stocks to the forefront and saying, okay, this is going to be the next step. Now, beyond that, it's going to be the introduction of quantum computing. How is that going to figure in? Who are going to be the players there? Who are the infants now that will turn into the adolescents, that will turn into the matured stocks, that will give us growth. And after that, I don't honestly know what it will be, but it will become apparent as my analyst says, here is a stock now that is in this field that is growing their revenues exponentially, which is also growing their margins, which is also growing their earnings, which will result in growing stock prices. And for an individual to consume all of this is literally impossible. You have to have a staff of 150 analysts, or you have to have an agent, an AI agent, who has access to all of that and can process it at exponential speeds that even Goldman Sachs can't do, and doesn't have the infrastructure that you got to work through. So I'd like to invite you to take a look at it, to come to my website, Best of Us Investors, spend 14 days, and get involved in our Discord, talk to other people who have been using it for the year, see what kind of results they've got, and see if this is the new way you want to invest. I invite you, free of charge, click the link in the description, and I'll send you to a landing page, and then we'll go from there. I hope I can make a change in your life.